Hello everyone! Welcome to Easy Drawing and Painting channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow foot and nail polish. Let's start drawing. First time I draw foot with 5 beautiful nails. 1 2 I'm here! 3 4 Please subscribe the channel. And 5 Then I draw a nail polish. Draw the brush. Excellent. I love it. Let's start coloring. Yellow color, red color, orange color, blue color, green color, cream color, red color, yellow color, pink color, blue color, purple color. It's so beautiful. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you the next video.